Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to curve an image in Canva. This simple technique adds a polished, professional touch to your designs and helps them stand out. First, open Canva and head over to the toolbar on the left side of your screen. From there, click on Elements. This section is packed with tools and shapes you can use to enhance your project. Inside Elements, scroll until you find Frames. Frames let you place images into different shapes, giving them structure and style. To see the full list, click on the small See All link next to the Frames section. Now, browse through the available frames until you spot one with a curved design that works for your layout. Once you found it, click to add it to your canvas. You can drag it anywhere on your workspace and adjust its size or position later. Next, upload the image you want to use. On the left-hand menu, click Uploads. Then either pick an image you've already uploaded or add a new one from your computer. Once your image is ready, drag and drop it into the curved frame. Canva will automatically clip the picture to fit the shape of the frame, instantly giving it that curved look. From here, you can fine-tune things by resizing the frame, adjusting the position of your image, or even layering it with other design elements. And that's it. You've successfully curved an image in Canva. And a quick and easy trick that adds more creativity and dimension to your projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.